there is a one tomb that is open still now, and that tomb, the open tomb is speaking to us till today. No matter how big you are, how small you are, how rich you are, how poor you are, but still the open tomb is speaking to us. This incident had happened in 2025 years back, yet it is still changing and working in the lives of people. If we see in Matthew chapter 28, verse 6, it says that he is not here, for he has risen. This is called the day of resurrection. The power of resurrection changed and created history. I repeat, the power of resurrection changed the history, it created the history. The power of resurrection changed the lives of many young people, many old people, many children. The power of resurrection not only changed, but it is also changing the lives of cruel drinkers, robbers, and also those who are addicted to drugs. And as we move on, the power of resurrection changing the lives of people till today. The power of resurrection won the victory over shame, death, and defeat, sin, and also Satan.